Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a very useful VS Code extension which allows you to update all your packages, all your Node.js packages at once with a single click. So if you are using some outdated packages inside your Node.js project, this extension will help you in those situations. So if you don't know about the latest version, it will automatically prompt you that you should update to the latest version. So if you just go to the extension tab, just type here npm. This extension will come right here. It's got almost 170,000 installs. So click on the install button to simply install this dependency. And after installing it, you go to your package.json file. And if you are using some outdated packages, as you can see, we are using these are not new ones, these are old packages. If you just right click and simply it will add this option npm update latest. Simply with a single click it will update all the dev dependencies and also all the packages that you are using. So you don't need to know that if you are using the latest or not. You simply right click and simply select this option npm update, and automatically it will go package by package and it will automatically install the latest packages. So as you can see, it changed all the packages. It upgraded the React one to 19 version, which is the latest one, and also Vue one, which is 3.5, which is the latest one. So with a single click, if you have if you're using a lot of packages, third-party packages, so this extension will go package by package and install the latest version of that specific one. So this will save you a lot of time. So if I revert back to the previous thing here, so it was looking like this. If you see, we were using the outdated package which was React 16 and Vue 3.2.2. So with this single click, it updated this file to use the latest version. So this will save you a lot of time. Same thing goes for dev dependencies as well. So definitely install this. I personally use this extension a lot, so this will save you a lot of time. It just add this option in the context menu in the right. So as you go to your packaged JSON file, simply right click and it will update all your packages at once. So it adds this option npm update latest. So thank you for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.